Hey, I'm Kate, your community manager here at Teespring. So in this video, we're going to cover a bunch of the different ways that you can promote your products on YouTube. Just a reminder, I will include a link in the description of this video below if you want to learn more about the tools we'll cover. So let's go ahead and get started. First up is branding. In our other promotional guides, we've talked about the importance of creating consistent branding across social accounts, and YouTube is no different. You'll want to customize your channel banner and icon to create brand consistency across platforms so your followers can instantly recognize you. Keep in mind you can also use your banner to call out your channel links, merch offering, and promo codes. Speaking of links, you can add custom links to your channel. Add your Teespring store URL as your featured link to capitalize on channel traffic and make your products easily accessible for purchase. To update your links, just head to the About section of your channel. Click Customize and add your URLs. If you want to learn more about tracking links, you can check out our analytics guide in the Teespring Training Center, which I'll link to below. Activate YouTube's merch shelf integration to sell your Teespring products directly under your videos. To date, creators have sold hundreds of thousands of products through this powerful integration. You can check your merch shelf eligibility by visiting your YouTube studio. Click on monetization and follow the prompts through merchandise. Once you've activated the merch shelf, you're able to customize the products displayed across your videos and can even choose specific products to display for specific videos. Visit the integration section of your Teespring account to learn more. I'll also include additional resources in the description below. Once you activate the merch shelf, you'll be able to create a channel store. This feature is another convenient tool for driving traffic to your product pages. You can customize the products featured within your store and the order they're displayed in. If you're not sure what order to display your products in, consider showcasing your newest products, top-selling items, or limited edition products first. Before we jump into promotional videos, it's worth mentioning that actually wearing real samples of your products in promotional videos can increase your sales by 50%. So that's why you're going to see a lot of creators wearing their merch in the following examples. Okay, so when it comes to promotional videos, there are 3 techniques that work best. The first is wearing your merch while filming. Featuring your merch in video content is an effective way of promoting your products to your audience without specifically calling it out during the video. You can use the video description or the merch shelf to let people know where they can buy the products. In addition to wearing merch in videos, we also see creators mention their products within regular video content. So for example, a creator will take a minute or 2 to show off or announce new products within their regularly scheduled content. This enables you to capitalize on your video views without having to send followers to a separate resource to learn more about your merch. The third way we see videos used to promote products is through dedicated merch videos. This is a standalone video featured on a channel that can showcase a variety of products, demonstrate the quality of the products, or inform users of the story behind the designs and merch collection. It's up to you which method or combination of methods will work best for your audience. Your main goal is to ensure viewers are aware that you're selling merch and to let them know where they can buy it. If you haven't unlocked the merch shelf yet, then your video descriptions will be the perfect place for you to link to your product listings and merch store. Many creators will feature their products in video content and remind viewers they can find a link to their products in the video description. Even if you have the merch shelf activated, you may still want to link to your merch store within the description too. You can add an end screen to the end of your YouTube videos. Most people utilize this feature to promote other videos, playlists, and channel subscriptions. But did you know that you can also use it to promote your merch? If you've got the merch shelf activated, you can capitalize on video traffic and send viewers directly to your products at the end of each video. Live streaming is quickly becoming one of the most popular ways to promote your products on YouTube. The unedited, real-time aspect of YouTube Live can increase viewership and enables you to promote merch in an engaging and memorable way. It's always a good idea to wear your products while streaming, and many users have found announcing a limited edition sale on stream is a great way to drive sales within a short amount of time. Use this method to reward viewers and increase viewership for future live streams. Keep in mind you can easily create promo codes on your Teespring account and activate or deactivate them instantly. You can announce the sale on stream and schedule the promo to end shortly after. That way you can ensure only people who viewed your stream are able to take advantage of the discount. Similarly, you can announce a new limited edition product on stream. Many creators will schedule an end date within their listing settings so the product is only available for a short amount of time. This promotional method enables you to create a memorable purchasing experience for your audience because they get first access to your limited edition products. Once you've reached 1,000 subscribers, you can start using your channel's community tab. It's the perfect tool to start discussions and engage with your audience. Plus, it's also a good place to announce sales, get people to vote on product or design ideas, and promote new products. Last but not least, remind viewers to share product photos with you.
And please, let me know on Twitter and Instagram when your things arrive. Send me photos because I would love to see those.
Collecting and sharing these photos on your social accounts and in videos is not only a fun way to make your customers feel special, but it also validates the quality of the products you're selling, which can lead to even more sales in the future. Encourage viewers to tag you on social media in their merch selfies, or to use a special hashtag when posting online. And that concludes our guide to promoting on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.